Hey guys, welcome back to the HitPaw channel. As a video maker, I always spend a lot of time searching for footage or videos to enrich my videos. But sometimes, when I downloaded them there are some logo or watermarks left. So in today's video, I will show you an easy way to remove logo from videos using CapCut. But before moving to the tutorial, it means a lot for us to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumb up. So let's go. First of all, create a new project in the CapCut. Here I will use CapCut on my computer and add the video you want to remove the logos from. This is my video. Now take a screenshot of the video on your phone or your computer. Then crop the area you don't need. After that, hit the free download link in the description. Download and install HitPaw Photo Object Remover. Here you can see the surface is quite simple. All you need to do is drag or input the photo here. So now select the screenshot image earlier. Now using the brush tools here. Zoom in to enlarge the image and mark all the text you want to remove like this. After that, tap the remove button. And repeat the process like before if the result is less clean. After all the logo has been totally deleted without leaving a trace, select the file location and export it. Let's return to the CapCut and add the edited screenshot image. Move the clip to the overlay track. Then cover it with the main video as well. Now open the mask menu. Here I will choose the rectangle. Then drag it to the logo you want to remove. And also adjust the size until it covers the text perfectly. Sometime you may need to add some keyframe to cover the moving logo more perfectly. Now let's see the end result. Okay, now the logo is covered. You have successfully removed logo from the video. And okay guys, that's all I can show you in this video. Don't forget to like if you think this video is helpful. If you have any questions, leave a message below the comment area. That's all, and thank you for watching.